Hey everyone, dealing with a QuickBooks data error can be really frustrating. I mean, it can even stop you from accessing your files. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you some easy solutions to fix it quickly. So, yeah, let's get started. All right, first things first, just restart QuickBooks and your computer. This might sound simple, but temporary glitches often cause data errors, and a quick restart can fix them instantly. Next, use the built-in Verify and Rebuild Data tool. So go to the File menu, then Utilities, and click on Verify Data. If QuickBooks finds any issues, run Rebuild Data to fix them automatically. Now, make sure your QuickBooks is updated. I mean, outdated versions can cause data errors, so installing the latest updates can solve compatibility problems right away. Another thing to check is your company file location. If it's stored on a damaged drive or unstable network, errors can happen. Try moving it to a local drive and open it again. If the problem continues, go ahead and use the QuickBooks Tool Hub. So this tool can automatically detect and repair data-related issues, which is super helpful. Okay, so if nothing works, you can restore a backup file. I mean, this will bring your data back to a working state, but just make sure the backup is recent. So yeah, those are the easiest ways to fix QuickBooks data errors. Try these steps one by one, and your issue should be resolved. And if this helped, feel free to check out more QuickBooks tutorials. Hey,